Hey there, welcome to week 4 of March. So usually in the 4th week I begin registration for the next month. So for us that is April. So make sure that you pay your 65 kwacha to be registered. So this week we're looking at ERA. This is a new syllabus and it's paper 1. It's worth 4 marks. So please pay attention as I endeavor to teach you. So come with me. ERA. Maximum length, least unit of measurement. So 2 rules here. So when you are dealing with decimals, count the number of decimal places and put zeros in front and end with a 1. With examples you understand. A whole number. The least unit of measurement of a whole number is 1. So I've given you 4 examples. Find the least unit of measurement of the following. So we have 12.1. 12.1. So start with the solution. This is 12.1. Excuse me. It's a decimal place. So I've said put zeros in front. So I'll put a 0 here. 0.1. So therefore, LUM standing for least unit of measurement. LUM is equals to 0.1. Simple as that. Let's check this one. We have 15.45. Solution here. 15.45. So we'll write our 15.45, and I've said if you're dealing with decimal places, you put a 0. So I'll put a 0 here, point, I'll put a 0, then I'll put my 1. Always end with a 1, but these should always be zeros. But avoid having the first number being a 0. Doesn't make sense. 0.01. No. Always 1 0 before the point. 1 0 before the point. So LUM here is equals to 0.01, least unit of measurement. We have this one, 5.2. Solution, 5.2. So 5.2, simple, 0.1. So LUM is equals to 0.1. Simple as that. 6. Solution, 6 is a whole number. So the least unit of measurement of a whole number is 1. So that's your answer. So LUM is equals to 1. So I'm just building something here. I'm building a foundation for where we are going. So now let's look at maximum length. I'm sure you have seen such a question asking you to find the maximum length. So maximum length. So find here are the steps. Find the least unit of measurement. That's the first step which I've taught you in these 4 examples. And add to the true measure. True measure means the original number you have been given. And then 2, always find the absolute error. Absolute error now, this is the formula. A is standing for half times LUM. Remember, you now know how to find LUM. So half times LUM, Let me give you examples. So find the maximum possible length of the following. So we have a solution here, 5.2. We want to find the maximum possible length of 5.2. So we said we always find our LUM first. I've taught you LUM, this will be a 0, will end with a 1. So our LUM is 0.1. After you find your LUM, next step is find your absolute error, AE. And the formula is half times LUM. So A is equals to half times our LUM 0.1. So 1 times 0.1 is 0.1 over 2. So 2 into 0 is 0. 2 into 1 is 0. You add a 0. 2 into 10 is 5. So your absolute error here is 0.05. After you find your absolute error, you add with your true measure. So our true measure is 5.2. Our absolute error is 0.05. So our final answer will be 5.25. Once you add these, 5.25. So this is your maximum possible length. 2 marks. Very easy, isn't it? All right. Let's look at our second example. Find the maximum possible length of 12.1. 12.1. So solution. We have to find our LUM first here. So this would be 0.1. That's our loom. So loom is equals to 0.1. By loom we mean least unit of measurement. After this we have our absolute error, which is half times loom. So this will give us half times 0.1. AE is equals to 1 times 0.1, 0.1 over 2. So AE is equals to 2 into 0, 0. 2 into 1 is 0. It can't. Then you add your 0 here. So 2 into 10 is 5. Yeah? So that's what we have. Once you have this, you have this. What you do, you add. As I said, true measure. So let me write this. True measure plus AE. So here our true measure is 12.1 plus our AE 0.05. So 12.1, 0.05. We are adding. We'll put this as 0. So to give us 5, to give us 1, it's 2, it's 1. So therefore, our maximum possible length is 12.15. Simple. Simple as that. Let's look at this now. 15.45. 15.45. As we said, let's find our loom. So 15.45. We have a 0 here, our 0 here, and our 1. Always end with a 1. After that, so our loom is 0.01. Yeah? So after that, we have our absolute error, which is half times loom. So AE is equals to half times 0.01. So this will have 1 times 0.01, 0.01 over 2. So 2 into 0 is 0. 2 into 0 is 0. 2 into 1 it cancels, we put our 0, add the 0 here. So 2 into 10 is 5. So that's so absolute error, 0.005. Once you find this, you add with your true measure. So you have 15.45 plus 0.005. I'm sure you remember this in grade 2. This was easy. So we add the 0 here. So plus. This will give us 5. This will give us 5. This will give us 4. Point. This will give us 5. This will give us 1. So therefore, maximum possible length is 15.455. Yeah, we have this example 8. So let me just erase here. This will be easy. So our fourth example is 8. They want us to find the maximum possible length of 8. So loom for a whole number is what? 1. Simple as that. I've taught you this. Then after this we find our absolute error, which is half times loom. So half times 1. You know, paper 1 you have to show your working. Yeah? So 1 times 1 is 1 over 2. 2 into 1, 0. Point. You add your 0 here. 2 into 10, 5. So that's your absolute error, 0.5. So once you find this, you add with your true measure, which is 8 plus 0.5, giving us 8.5. So therefore, maximum possible length is 8.5. Yeah. So we move on to the next example.